Welcome to the second week. You made it. Now you know who you are, what skills do you have or you want to have so you start working on those, and what kind of people you want to attract to your profile or to your persona. Now this section, this entire week is dedicated to LinkedIn. How you can prepare a killer LinkedIn profile. Now your profile, why is important? Okay, your profile is the place to show off the greatest successes and future aspirations. So what you want to be or what you are, go on your profile. Now, it is also one of the first chances that to make the first impression to anyone discovering you inside of LinkedIn, outside of LinkedIn. Could be anyone. Could be a future colleague searching for you in the internet. Could be an employer looking for somebody like you. Could be an employee, somebody that you want to attract to your company. Could be a hired manager who is checking your profile and wanting to think if they want to offer you your dream job. So you know this is important. But now the big question is how you make it in the way you attract the people you want to attract to you. That is the big question. Now there are 7 things that you need to know about a profile. And let me tell you the 7 things. Okay, so which one are the 7 things fact file that make you understand why a profile is important? What do you think it is? Why? Close. Picture. What things do you have to have in order for people to see your profile? Picture. 14 times profiles who have a picture are actually seen by employers, employees, or anybody who wants to see it. The second thing, what is this? Exactly. A summary of you, who you are. Like a Twitter. Use 40 words. Exactly. Who you are. Or who, what you do. Exactly. Another thing, believe it or not, which is logical, is skills. Exactly. A list of your skills. 13 times. If you put your skills, your profile, people will see your profile 30 times more than anybody else. What else could be that make attractive profile? What else? You have your picture, your description, your skills. What else you can have? Exactly, the industry. What is the industry? Because if I'm searching for somebody, I will say, well, I'm searching somebody in education. So I will put education and I will figure out anybody who is in education. If I'm searching somebody who is in healthcare, I will search for anybody who is in healthcare. So that's important. Industry. You know what else is also important? Groups. So if you choose to participate in groups, you will be 5 times seeing more than if you don't participate in groups. I will learn how to participate in groups, create your own groups, etc. So 50 times if you put industry, 40 times if you put your pretty face, pretty, nicely educated, professional face. Well, maybe not professional if you're an artist and you want to do something, that depends on what you want to do. Now, what else they want to see besides your skills and your thing? Education. They want to see a list of your education. Could be, now, if you don't have an education, just start studying something. Get a certificate, go to university, go to an institute, go to a college, go to some place and get the education that you want to have. Now, not because you have an education. If you have, doesn't mean you won't do nothing else. I always study things, learning, and create the certificates. You can do it by free, like here. You take in these courses, you can, if you want, you order and you have a paper that you learn about branding. And then that's also something that you put in education if you don't have it. Education is also 10 times. If you put an education, your profile will be seen 10 times more than anybody else. And you know what else besides education? Believe it or not, is volunteering. So if you can volunteer to anything of course, related with what to do. For example, I volunteer with the Chamber of Commerce. Why? Because I am interested in business. Although I work in education, I love business, I love entrepreneurship. So, okay, I'm not working in the business school, but I worked before, so I have previous experience. But at the same time, I want to maintain my current. So, I volunteer. I belong to the board of the Chamber of Commerce in this city. That is important. 42% of the employers looking for people, they actually check the volunteers' activities. So you have 7 things that you can think about in order to figure out what you can write in your profile. So the first thing I want you to do is to have a little paper in this thing, go and fill out these 7 things. Because next you will open your LinkedIn profile and start filling out the blanks to start creating your profile. In the next video, you won't see me, you will see me explain you if you don't know how to open an account and how to start filling out this information. Okay?